Okay, last but not least on this video, and I'm sorry this seems like very winded, and I've done a lot of examples and practice problems so that you actually understand how it works and you can do it yourself, right? And if you got it after like this one in the last video, if you got it after the first couple, you don't need to watch the rest of the video. Just move on and do the problems. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about evaluating log expressions with a calculator. Now, the calculator we have has two log functions. It has a base 10, right? So if I go with log base 10 of 10,000, right, that is 10 to what power is 10,000, and it should give me 4, right? And we have natural log, which has a base E, but I can't do any other ones. Like I've looked, it doesn't allow me to do any others. I'm looking on the one I have here. Nope, nothing. Okay, so we have to do something else. Well, let's go to this change of base formula. Now, there is a way to do these by hand, right? But I'm not there, so we're just going to use our calculator because, you know, why work harder? Let's work smarter in this case without Miss Rose. Oh, come on. Okay, so it says your calculator does not do any base for like just any base. That's what that means. Does not do any base for log, just any base. It does common log, base 10, and it does natural log, ln, which has a base E, but it doesn't just do anything we want. So we're going to use this formula, allows you to evaluate any log in your calculator using any base. Okay, notice that this number always goes on top, and this number always goes on bottom. Now it says x, and you're like, okay, well, what is x going to be? X can be anything. So why not have it be 10? Why not have it be E? Well, we're going to have it be 10 because that, you know, makes life easier. So to evaluate these in our calculator, super easy. We're going to rewrite this as log 27 divided by, because that's what this says. This says to take a log, we're going to take a log base x of A divided by log base x of B. Okay, so going back here, we have log base 27 goes on top, and log 3 goes on bottom. We're going to figure out what that is. I put approximately, but I actually think it's an exact number. So then I go into my calculator, I go log, and I could use ln, right? And I'm going to show you that you can, and it'll be the same thing, divided by log base 3. And what do you get? 3. And that's my answer. See, that was easy peasy. Yay. I could have used natural log and it would be the same thing. And the reason why some of you might, and I know some of you, and I say some of you, but I know it's only like 4 of you, are like, why does that work? We can talk about it later. But I could use natural log. And I get the same thing. Weird, huh? Trippy. I know that's what you're all thinking. Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here with number 2. Log base 32 on top divided by log base 2. And I get 5. And that's my answer, peeps. Let's do one more. Well, actually, let's go down here. Let's do log 1 divided by log 7. And remember, this is really saying 7 to what power equals 1. You guys should all know this, and hopefully you'll understand why. Oh, come on. 0. Yeah, because the only thing that gives us 1 right here is 0. So anytime you see 1 right here, the answer is 0. Anytime you see the base number, the answer is going to be 1. 1. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of this lesson. You're welcome. Get your work done. Rewatch the videos if you need to. See if anybody else can clarify it. I've tried my best. to like simplify these notes as much as possible, but I am a little bit fearful that I've simplified too much. So ask around, and those of you, some other people might have understood it a little bit better